Hello and welcome. Today we are doing an analytic report. This is month 1 of my second channel. So this channel is called Amanda's Numbers. I launched it second because my first channel is like a mommy channel, and I wanted to do this channel to report my analytics. I wanted to talk about getting monetized, talk about gaining subscribers, and just tips and tricks that I'm learning along the way. I wanted a place to house all that, and I didn't want to put it on my mommy channel. So I decided to make a separate channel here. So again, this channel is called Amanda's Numbers. It is my second ever YouTube channel, and it launched September of 2024. My first content went up then. My experience on YouTube before this is my mommy channel, which launched, I believe, April of 2023. So I'm over a year of experience on that first channel. Okay, so just jumping right into it, I got 61 views, 1.2 watch hours, and no subscribers. And this is, again, that whole first month. And if you look here, as far as my videos, I only did long form videos. I did a bunch in the beginning. Because that first channel is over a year old, I did a monthly report on that. So I had a backlog, essentially. So I'm still working on getting caught up, but this was like month 1, month 2, month 3, and these are simply every day for a week. I did the first 7 months. And then I started slowing down to once a week, which I intended to do always. I followed my schedule. I just wanted to throw a bunch of content onto my channel, see what happened, and honestly, not much did happen. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in deeper to the content. Here is a simple chart of my content. Now, I would like to note I am only doing long form content on this channel. I learned that with my first channel, my mommy channel, having longs and shorts, obviously, you can separate them and look at the analytics separately, but if you do accidentally look at them together, which at first I sort of was, like the click-through rate or the average view duration, it was skewed because an average view duration on a short might be 20 seconds, but a video might be 2 minutes. And when you average those, it doesn't make sense, you know? So I wanted the analytics to be very clean on this channel and not do shorts. Okay, so these videos are currently in order based on views. My best video only got 19 views. Honestly, there's just not much to say here. As far as most watch time, it was this one, which is a longer video. And I mean, in general, my impressions were pretty low. It's a new channel. Click-through rates were very low. Everything was low. Some videos even got no views. For the month of September, I did publish 11 long form videos. This is a different start than my other channel, my mommy channel. I actually spent, I believe, the first 3 months only publishing shorts. I did shorts to sort of try to take my channel off and give it that initial boost. And I will say it worked better. Interestingly enough, that first 3 months, I was gaining subscribers and I was getting views. Now, it wasn't adding to my long form watch time by any means, but I was getting subscribers. I was getting a little bit of action on my channel. So it might be the way to go, but wanted to test this out and see how it would go. Like I said, I did monthly reports, and then a couple things I started doing after that. I sort of said like, welcome to my channel. And then I did like how to create or launch a YouTube channel. I did a 5-part series, and I believe part 1, 2, and 3 might have been in this month, and the next couple parts are in October. Just kind of going over that initial like setup and launching your channel. Overall, I would say I thought this channel was going to be easy. I really did. My other channel has been a lot of work, and it's hard to get views, hard to get subscribers. I thought YouTube channels about starting a YouTube channel just took off on their own. I thought I would be raking in the views. I thought this would get monetized maybe 4 months in. And now looking at it, I'm like, oh, okay, it's not going that well. And interesting, I guess is what I would say, because no, these are not monetization reports, which I know are more exciting. Like it took me blah, blah, blah weeks to get monetized. These are analytic reports, and money is not being shown yet because there is no money being made. Maybe that's part of the problem, but I really thought this was going to be a lot easier. This channel was going to be like a side project and just easy and fun. And I really thought the views and the subscribers and the watch time hours were going to completely blow my other channel away, which it's been an over a year struggle at this point. I thought this channel might be easy. I really and truly did. It has not been. I want to keep working on it, and I'm going to see how it goes. Right now, October and moving forward, I am just doing 1 video a week. I would like to up that to 2 videos a week and see how that goes. But you know, this is my second YouTube channel. I'm still running the first YouTube channel, so it's tricky to manage it all. Stay tuned though, and we are going to come back and I'm going to tell you all about October.